Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing two packing videos, one with the JuJuBe Mighty Bee and then the JuJuBe Bee Light. What I've packed today are for potty training. So the Mighty Bee is packed for my car bag for my toddler who is potty trained. So for on the go in the van, we have a van. So it gives her space in case we're on the road and she needs to use the potty. And then in my light is for when we're shopping or visiting a friend or anything like that. So it's just a more compact version for on the go. So I'll start with the light. So it is in the Moonbeam print. I have it packed very minimal for on the, like I said, on the go if we're in the store or again at a friend's or relatives or something. So inside I have a quick in Sea Punk, and inside I just packed again very minimally. So we have some flushable wipes, and we have a change of clothes for her in here, and then we have just a pull-up just in case we need that. And then we have some antibacterial wipes for wiping down public toilets, all of that fun stuff. And then I have a puppy training pad. So this could be for in case she needs to really take off her shoes or anything like that. We can put this on the floor to help just keep everything clean. The only thing I'm missing, actually, I just realized, is I carry also a pack of Post-it notes, and I use those to cover the sensor on public toilets. So because she's so small, it sets the sensor off and automatically flushes, which terrifies her. So for some reason I don't have them in here, but that is also what I have. Also, and then I have a potty seat. It's just a foldable one. I believe it's Graco. It is. That just folds out for that goes over the toilet seat for her. So that is what's in my light for, like I said, I bring in with me if I'm going shopping and everything like that. I'm also missing a plastic bag for accidents. In my Mighty Bee, this one stays in my van. So I have an IKEA potty in there, and it's perfect height for her for the van. And then, see, I originally was packing with a large set piece for all this, but then I found this amazing thing. It is a diaper pod. I got this with a co-op buy, and it's amazing. It's absolutely huge. I cloth diaper my youngest, so it fits probably about 20 cloth diapers. So anyways, in here I have some antibacterial wipes for wiping the potty. I have a bottle of water so that we can clean out any stubborn things in the potty, and washing of hands if need be. I have some hand sanitizer. I have the full pump this time because I've run out of my small travel size. Then I have some hand and face baby wipes for her as well. Then I also have some flushable wipes in there. I have a pull-up, again, just in case. We generally don't use them, but it's just a backup. Then we have a wet bag for accidents, wet clothes. And then we have a change of clothes in here. I also have, so this is a pad liner, usually for their cribs, playpens or whatever. So I have this just in case to put under her bum if she happens to have an accident in the car seat as a backup, only because if I also have another training pad here. This I prefer to put under her because it's thinner and doesn't affect the car seat or anything like that, but this is just as a backup. And it's also good to, put down on my floor of my van to put the potty on top of so there are no accidents. Additionally, I have some disposable little bags, and then I have paper towel. So the paper towel, I will take a piece off and lay it inside the potty, and in case she has a bowel movement, it's easier to remove than it being stuck inside the potty. I usually use, as a tip, is coffee filters. I have run out, so I'm using paper towel at the moment. But coffee filters, you put that in and you can easily take that out and dispose of it. And then also some plastic Ziploc bags, which again, I'm missing something. Anyways, so that's all in my Mighty Bee, and that stays in the car. And then my light I just take with me quickly for shopping. So anyways, that is it for right now. If you have any comments or tips or anything I could add, just let me know. Comment below. Thanks.